Most people get this wrong. They think all savings accounts are the same: low interest, no perks, and no guidance. TrueGain Savings in 2026 challenges that notion with a modern approach to growing your money. TrueGain offers a competitive interest rate with a tiered system that rewards higher balances. Even if you're just starting, your savings earn meaningful interest, and the longer you keep money in the account, the more it compounds. The surprising truth is that consistent small deposits can lead to significant growth over time, which many people overlook. The platform also includes goal-based saving features. You can create multiple goals, like building an emergency fund or saving for a vacation, and TrueGain helps allocate funds automatically. Visual progress tracking makes it easy to stay motivated and understand how your savings are growing. Most people fail to save because goals feel abstract, but TrueGain makes them tangible. TrueGain's app is user-friendly and secure, with bank-level encryption and multi-factor authentication. Notifications and alerts keep you informed of account activity, helping you avoid surprises. Limitations include the lack of direct investment products or loan options. If you are looking for a full-service bank, you'll need additional accounts elsewhere. But for focused, efficient saving with tools that actually encourage growth, TrueGain delivers. So, is TrueGain Savings worth it in 2026? Absolutely, especially for anyone looking to make their money work harder while staying in control of their goals. Subscribe for more practical finance reviews that help you save smarter and reach your financial goals faster.